Redrop the distributor. I can't stand it when the distributor is rotated the way around. It just looks completely freaky to me, and I just can't. I just stare at it. I don't have OCD, and obviously I don't care what stuff looks like, but that drives me crazy when I'm looking at that. I'm like, oh my God, I gotta move it. So anyway, we dropped the dizzy, so just making sure everything's okay, or as okay as it's gonna be. Yeah, that sounds awesome. It's got a little bit of exhaust leak around the H pipe and the headers, but you know, when you see a car like this, you expect it to have exhaust leaks. So anyway, all right. Well, next time you see me, I'll be in the car heading to the track. Woo! Hey! Well, we're headed to the track. So we got everything loaded. Yeah. All right. Well, not like you guys hadn't seen that before. But anyway, we are headed to the track with our GT40 heads, and hopefully we'll be heading home under our own power with a little bit better time slip in our pocket. So, all right, let me get off. I got to drive. Pay attention to what's happening. Woo, that guy's moving. Prius. All right, see you guys in a little bit.
Let's see the fire. 167, 60 foot, 761, 89.9. Madman of Emerald Coast making another hit. Watch him roll into the beams. Notice the concentration. And he's off! Look at that man go! Face of determination right there. fixing to rip him one. John Force ever get up there.
Come on, John. Hey guys, we're up here at the track. One more thing I forgot is that we put some GT taillights back on it. Whee! And we just ran a pass. We ran a 758, and I screwed the pooch on the GoPro because that's what I do. I'm good at it. I do it all the time. So we will have no footage of that because the Mad Porter and Pirate were up in staging. So we'll get to see the time slip though. But anyway, let me get off here. I just want to show you guys taillights. I forgot because I mean that's super cool and interesting. All right, we're out. All right, guys, more pass.
almost a minute recording this that Goober ain't got in the stage day yet. Rod can edit the video. He's nervous. Rodney's got him nervous is what it is. Get out of my head, Thomas. No time.
Well, guys, the sun is setting on yet another day of drag racing. And now we're going to eat. There's a Pirate Mike up there in the coop. Now we're going to eat. We would have liked to have made one more pass, but one of our slicks decided it was going to develop an air leak. So we didn't get to make another hit when it cooled down some. So it is what it is. But we're driving home on our own power, and we'll do our blah, blah, blah. And we'll be all be good. You guys will have all the info. So, all right. Yeah, whoa, calm down. I just had some Mountain Dew, so I apologize. All right, we're in here for the blah, 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 and I'll try and make this really fast so you guys don't die of boredom. So here was our first pass. 167, 761, 89.92. It spun. Then this was our second pass. 163, 765, 89.8. You guys can read. Then we started getting a hold of the track a little bit. 162, 759, 89.5. Back on this one real quick, I tried to let the clutch out just a hair slower and at a lower RPM, and the clutch, it 60-footed good, but the clutch just grabbed it and killed it. It just didn't start moving. It hurt the ET. And then the 59 was pretty good. And then the 58, we had a 59 and went to 58, 89. And then our last pass, we kind of got it all figured out. It hooked really well. And we brought it around on a hot lap. And this was the hot lap number. It was a no time. They tore the time slip in half. In the video, it looks weird. They gave me the wrong time slip. That's why I was looking at it all confused, like, whoa, what's going on? They gave me the wrong time slip. I realized that when I looked at it again, I had the wrong lane. I was like, oh, they gave me the other guy. So went to 65 at 88.8. Now, when we got back to the pits, we didn't notice it until we were sitting there, but the slick on the passenger side went down. I mean, it was flat. So that may have actually been happening on this pass. Is the mile an hour is just a little weird. So, and while it was a hot lap, it wasn't that much of one. So, anywho, that's what we did. It was pretty hot that day too. It was, you know, again, it's going to be hard to maintain where we're at or pick up big chunks because the weather's getting so bad. But, you know, that's not going to stop us from going and trying. So, we'll, next thing we're going to do is the camshaft install. So, stay tuned. We'll be back with more.